Across the country, farmers are finding practical ways to reduce disease risk while protecting wildlife. Sometimes it's the small steps that make all the difference. Badgers are a protected species and an important part of our countryside. But when livestock graze close to active badger setts or latrines, the risk of disease like bovine TB can increase. We've all seen how tricky that can be when cattle and badgers share the same ground. Badgers that are infected with bovine TB can transmit disease through their urine, faeces or secretions, such as saliva or mucus. This is why badger setts and badger latrines can be sources of TB infection. A badger set can either be active or dormant, like this one. An active badger set often shows signs like fresh tracks, heaps of soil, stones or fresh breeding material outside the entrance. There may also be badger latrines near the set entrance. These are all potential sources of TB, and cattle can be infected if they come into contact with them. There's more than one way to fence cattle away from badger sets. It depends on what suits your livestock and your land. An electric fence with a few posts about 12 feet back from the set is usually enough to prevent livestock accessing the badger set. Once the fence is in place, most farmers find it doesn't need much maintenance. It's a straightforward way to lower the risk of TB spreading without affecting wildlife. Every farm is different, but with most yards, a few small changes can keep badgers out and protect herd health. For more advice on badger proofing and TB biosecurity, visit bovinetb.ie or contact your regional veterinary office.